Hi, welcome to another video on my channel. For this video we'll be looking at scalar multiplication. So let's move right into it. So the term scalar multiplication refers to the product of a real number, let us take off this S right here. Right, let's get that S off. Right, so the term scalar multiplication refers to the product of a real number and a matrix. Right, and as you can see right here, the product, which basically means multiplication. Alright, so the product is basically the result that you get after multiplication has been carried out. Alright, so let's look at this first example. So in scalar multiplication, you multiply each entry in the matrix by the given scalar. Right, so let's look at this example. A is equal to, so matrix A is equal to 3, 7, 9, 10. They want us to find 2A. So in this case, A is the matrix and the 2 is the scalar. Alright, so I want you to get that distinction. So 2 is the scalar here. So the only thing we do is just multiply each element in the matrix by the scalar. So we just kind of distribute it. So 2 times 3, 2 times 7, 2 times 9, 2 times 10. So we're just multiplying the numbers, each number by 2. So 2 times 3 give us 6, 2 times 7 14, 2 times 9 18, and 2 times 10 20. So that's basically the basics of scalar multiplication. Let's move into some examples now. So given that L equal 8, 5, minus 7, and 3, K equal 1, 0, 4, and 2, and M equal 4, 6. Now they want us to find 2K. So 2K. So in this, 2 is the scalar and K is the matrix. So 2K is equal to 2 times matrix K. What is matrix K? 1, 0, 4, 2. That's matrix K. So this will now be equal to, so we're going to use our 2 to multiply each element in the matrix. So this will be 2 times 1, 2 times 0. You get the picture? 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. Right, so that's basically what we do. Alright, let's put our final answer over here now. So 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 4, 8, and 2 times 2, 4. So this is basically, you can bring down your 2K. So this is 2K right here. But pretty straightforward. You only multiply each element in the matrix by the scalar that is given. Let us look at this one now. So half M, right? So the scalar can also be less than 1. In this case we have a half. So let's put this up here now using a different color. So half m. Right, this will be equal to a half times m. What is m? 4, 6. 4, 6. Alright, so we just carry out the multiplication. So we multiply each element by a half. So let me use this bigger bracket. So we multiply a half by 4. I'll do this pretty straightforward. A half by 4 and also a half by 6. Alright, not leaving anything out. I want you to see everything. Okay, so this will be equal to, this will become 4 over 2, right, and this will become 6 over 2. So this is half m, this is half m. Alright, so this will now give us 2 over 3 for our answer. Pretty straightforward. So moving along to the other examples. So we are now looking to find 3L. Remember, 3 is the scalar and the L is the matrix. 3L, this will be equal to, let's look at what L is. L is 8, 5, minus 7, and 3. So L, 8, 5. Let me backtrack a little bit. Remember the scalar 3. Alright, 8, 5, minus 7, 3, minus 7, 3. Remember, we just multiply each element in the matrix by 3. So this will now give us 3 times 8, 3 times 5, 3 times minus 7, and 3 times 3. So I want you to pay close attention. We brought our 3 inside, right? Different color. We brought the 3 inside and multiply every element that we have there. So this will now be equal to 3 times 8, 24, 3 times 5, 15, 3 times minus 7, minus 21, and 3 times 3, 9. So this is 3L. 3L. Let's move on now to quarter K. Alright, 1/4 K. So this is now equal to a quarter. Now what is K? K is 1042. Yes. So 1042. So this is now will now be equal to, let me put this in bracket, a quarter times 1. I'm gonna do this very straightforward so you can see a quarter times 0, a quarter times 4, and a quarter times 2. Alright, remember, anything times 1 gives us back the same thing, so this will be a quarter. Anything times 0 gives us 0. Alright, so these will cancel. So 4 cancel that, cancel. So we now have 1, and then this will give us a half. For this one, this gives us a half. So that's a quarter K. Alright, so that's basically how you go about doing scalar multiplication for numbers that are greater than 1 and also less than 1. So thank you very much for tuning into this video, and please feel free to come back and see other videos, as I will be covering an extensive amount of topics, right, mainly for the secondary area, straight from grade 7 up to the CAPE units. So Thanks again, and please subscribe to the channel and share the links of the videos. Leave your comments so I can respond and also answer questions that you might be having a problem with. So thank you very much again. Thanks for watching.